Heather again. I just did my nails yesterday, so my nails were a total mess, and yeah, the nail vitamins are helping, but they are a mess. So I'm going to show you my finished nails instead of showing you the cleaned up and then each layer. So it's going to be kind of a quick video today because I have a busy week this week. So first hand we have black, second hand we have green and black, we have a pumpkin face in green, Dracula's bat, Frankenstein monster, Mary Shelley's Frankenstein monster, and a werewolf footprint. And then this one was supposed to be a cat, but I painted over it because it wasn't turning out. So that one is a little bit more difficult to do. I did the detailing with a 0/5 liner paintbrush, and my paintbrush was destroyed, but it was only $1 at the craft store. So if there's any ideas you have for like doing detail work, you're gonna commit to spending $1 or more, depending on how much you spend on the paintbrush, if you don't clean it up properly. And I thought I had most of the nail polish out, but it was a done deal. So let's go over what I did for my colors. As always, we have the Expressie by Essie, and this is Now or Never. Oops. And then we have China Glaze in the color In the Limelight. This one here goes on very sheer, so you have to lay it on thick. And it is a nail glaze, nail lacquer with hardness. It is kind of a sheer formula, so you're gonna wanna put a couple layers on. So this is one thin layer and then one thick layer over the top, and give it time to dry. It dries almost matte, so the shine you see on this nail, these green nails, is from the top coat, which is Essie's top coat. This one is called the No Chip formula. It's got no stuff. I was looking at this a little while ago and it says no chips ahead, and I'm guessing ahead is a different language because it's Hoche definition. So top coat. Yeah, so I think that's French, maybe. It looks French, but it could be Italian. I don't know. We live in America. I live in Minnesota, so there's a high chance that we have a product that gets sold in Canada as well. So that's my nail video for this week. I'm sorry I didn't do the full on everything today, but I have a very busy week, and I will get back to you next week with my final Halloween look on Monday or Sunday. So it's probably going to be a lot of fun. Thank you. Bye.